Good morning, everyone. It is Friday and we're ready for lesson 2 in our math. Please turn to speed drill 2. Have your pencils ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, put your pencils down and have your pencils ready to score. 18, 56, 27, 8, 81, 35, 36, 18, 14. Second row. 45, 96, 25, 48, 144, 16, 48, 20, 42. Third row. 30, 63, 32, 54, 10, 21, 24, 40, 120. Fourth row. 12, 28, 72, 12, 49, 72, 24, 24, 15. Alright, turn your books back to lesson 2, page 6. We are talking about triangles today. Before we talked a lot about shapes that have 4 sides like quadrilaterals, parallelograms, rhombuses, trapezoids, squares, rectangles. Now we're kind of going down to 3 sides, so triangles. We classify triangles 3 ways, and we classify them by looking at their sides again. We classify shapes that have 4 sides the same way by looking at their sides. So let's look at the 3 types of triangles that we're going to be talking about. The first one is equilateral. Say it with me. Equilateral. Alright, there are a few clue words. Equal. Do you see that? That means the sides must all have the same length. 3 sides of equal length. I forgot to add that. Lateral means side. Well, it's side or straight? I didn't look that up. I associate lateral with side and straight. So remember that equal, whenever you see equa, it means equal. It must have equal sides. So all 3 sides must have the same length. That type of triangle is called equilateral. Notice how we spell it. Equilateral. Think about equa, then add the word lateral. The next type of triangle is anyone brave enough to say it? Allie, how do you think you say this word? Isosceles. Kind of a fancy word, isn't it? It's a lot of S's. Isosceles. I often say isosceles, but the book says isosceles, like 3 syllables, and I say isosceles. I'm not too picky about how you say it, because both of them are really close. Isosceles is different in that it must have 2 sides that are equal to each other. So in this case, would it be this one and this one? No, this is way too long, way too short. So these 2 sides are equal each other. Let me just put it up here so it looks the same. They're equal each other. For this one, remember I. Think about like the homonym for the letter I would be eyeball. How many eyes do you have? You have 2 eyes. Remember that whenever you see isosceles, oh, I eye, my eyes. I have two eyes. It must have two sides that are equal each other. Then the other one can be long or short. It'll probably be normally short. But you must have two sides that are equal. Say it with me again. Isosceles. Let's go to the third type. The third type is scalene. So this one had all sides are equal. Two sides are equal. One side is equal? No, you can't have one side that is equal. So three sides of different length. No sides are equal. Absolutely none. They are all different lengths. One might be short, one might be medium, and one might be long. It can be any kind of, maybe a weird shape that you can just draw all different lengths, like you do like this, and like that, and then come back. It can be any kind of weird shape. A scalene is just must have three sides that are different lengths. Notice how we spell isosceles. Isosceles. It's a good idea for you to figure out how to spell them because it's a talent to spell well. So you might as well get good at spelling other harder words. Scalene is spelled exactly how it sounds. Scalene. Let's read the box where in your book on page 6 where it says right triangles. We have worked with this a lot, so it's not nothing new. A right triangle has one right angle. Isosceles and scalene triangles may also be right triangles. Look at the example in your book. Scalene and isosceles, we have a little box that signifies, oh, it's a right angle. Like right here, that would be a right angle. Which of these three triangles cannot be right, not have right angles? Let's keep on reading the last section in that box. An equilateral triangle cannot be a right triangle because each of its angles measures 60. We don't have too much worry about the measures of the angles, but remember that if they have equal sides, they're all turning into each other. They cannot make a right angle at all. So scalene and isosceles can have right angles, but equilateral can never have a right angle. All right, let's go to 1A, B, and C. It says label the triangles, equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. Number 1, angle ABC. What do you think? Go through your steps. Equilateral. Are all sides equal? Obviously, they don't look equal. So it cannot be equilateral. Isosceles. Two eyes. Are there two sides that are the same length? There's not. No. Because the slanted line is the longest, and then the bottom line is a little bit shorter than the upright line is even shorter. Alright, so what would it have to be? It can't be equilateral, it can't be isosceles. It would be scalene. Go ahead and write scalene. Letter B, angle DEF. What do you think? Go through your steps. Equilateral, all sides equal. What do you think? Sometimes it might be kind of hard. I was going to draw some on the board, but I wasn't even going to attempt it because I'm not a very good artist. And the lines will not look equal when they're supposed to look equal and all that. So, I decided not to. Letter B, what do you think it is? Equilateral. All sides are equal. Three sides are equal. Let's go to letter C. Angle GHI. Go through the three. Equilateral, are all sides equal? No, they're obviously not all equal. Let's go to the second one. Isosceles. Eyes. Two sides must be the same length. What do you think? Yeah, there are two sides that are the same length. So letter C would be isosceles. All right. You are good to go on this lesson. Go to page 7 on number 2. I'm going to read it to you. Page 7, number 2. Robert went with his father to the hardware store to buy some nails. A sign said that 3 pounds of nails cost $2.91. They found a 5-pound box for $4.75, which was less expensive per pound. Clue words. What are the clue words? Clue words. 3 pounds. $2.91. question you're trying to find is which was less expensive per pound. Your instructions say divide to compare. Divide carefully, and I don't think you should have any trouble with that. Alright, y'all, it is Friday. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful weekend, and we'll see you next week. Actually, we have language yet, so you'll see me then.